The Divi Black Friday sale starts right now, and trust me, you want to head over to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday right away because we are giving away thousands of free prizes and they won't last long. Okay, with that disclaimer out of the way, let's talk about what makes the Divi Black Friday sale so much better than all of the other Black Friday sales you are probably used to. First off, of course, we are offering big discounts on Divi memberships and Divi lifetime upgrades. It's the biggest discount we ever offer, and we only offer it during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So once the sale ends, it won't be back again until next year. This is the time to join, and this is the time to upgrade if you are already a member. But it's not just Divi memberships that are massively discounted. There are also deals in the Divi marketplace that are out of this world, so this is the time to load up on some amazing Divi modules, layouts, and child themes and really take Divi to the next level. Some of these deals are so good they will only be available for 24 hours at a time, so don't miss out and keep an eye out for new deals popping up all weekend. As I alluded to previously, we are also giving away over 10,000 free products from the Divi marketplace, thanks to some very generous creators that want to support you and the Divi community. Here's how it works. Everyone who purchases a Divi membership, upgrades their account, or renews their subscription will also get a free bonus product with their purchase. We are giving away the best and most popular products from the Divi marketplace, but each batch of prizes is limited, and once a prize runs out, that's it. So head over to the sale and scope out the prize list so that you can jump on the opportunity. So, what if you are already a Divi lifetime member? First off, we are giving you and all Black Friday customers exclusive access to a collection of Divi theme builder templates and layouts that our design team created just for this occasion, including never-before-seen WooCommerce cart and checkout templates. These downloads are only available during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so be sure to go and download them before they disappear. We have one more thing for lifetime members too. I know that I already mentioned that there will be amazing deals in the Divi marketplace, but there will be even more amazing deals in the marketplace for Divi lifetime members because we worked with creators to offer you and our new Black Friday members even bigger discounts on their products. If you aren't a lifetime member, then today is a great day to upgrade to get access to these special perks. Just head over to elegantthemes.com/Black Friday to get those deals before they're gone.